Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we are opening the color of yellow. The color of yellow. And the next one is blue. Now we are opening the color of blue. The next one is green color. Now we are opening the color of green. The next one is red color. Now we are opening the color of red. Now we are opening the color of red. Kids, the next one is white color. The color of white. And the last one is black color. Now we are opening the color of black. Kids, now we are using the color of black, and first we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. The alphabet of H. I for ice. J for jackfruit. K for kite. Kids, the next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. N for nose, N for nest. And the next one is O. O for octopus. P. Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.